So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Safepal to Binance. So the first thing you want to do if you want to transfer money from your Safepal to Binance account would be to go to your Binance account and generate a deposit address. But I'm just going to show you the steps through Safepal. So once you're there, so just make sure that the same cryptocurrency and compatible blockchain network are selected within Binance, and then just paste that address into the send section on here. So if you go to send, you'll see the amount of crypto that you want to transfer. So once you want to send money to your Binance account, just go to here, paste that sum that you want to send, so that amount that needs to be sent to your Binance account. So by going through there, just paste that specific address of your Binance account, and as I mentioned before, make sure that the available chain and compatible crypto is there, so something like TRC20, some stuff like that. Once you're sure of it, you can then just go to send and copy that Binance address and receive those funds that are available to you. So that's about it. That's how you can send funds and amounts to your Binance account. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safepal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.